Welcome to Indigo. It is indeed a real pleasure to have you aboard with us today. Our flight 68685 is now ready for departure. The flight time to Mumbai is 2 hours. The crew in the flight are Captain Rohit Verma, who hails from Delhi, and First Officer Karthik Chadha, his hometown is also Delhi. In the cabin are Rubina, Urvashi, and Priya from Delhi, and I, Sushmita, your lead cabin crew from Lucknow. Members of the crew today speak English, Hindi, Bengali, and Punjabi. As we prepare for takeoff, please ensure that the tray table is closed, your seat back straight, and seatbelt securely fastened. Please ensure that the window shades are open during takeoff and landing. Government regulations require all electronic devices to be turned off until advised by the cabin attendants. Mobile phone should remain in the flight mode or switch off mode for the entire duration of the flight. Consumption of alcohol and smoking is not permitted during the flight. Smoke detectors are installed in all the lavatories. If you would like to share any feedback or provide any suggestion related to our service, kindly log on to website www.goindigo.in or write the email ID provided in the Hello 60 magazine. Thank you and enjoy our award winner.
आप सही तरीके से पहन लें। इस विमान में 8 आपातकालीन द्वार हैं, 2 सामने, 2 पीछे और 4 विंग्स। There are 8 emergency exits on this aircraft, 2 forward exits, 2 rear exits and 2 exits over the wings on each side of the aircraft. In case of an evacuation, fluorescent strips along the floor will guide you to your nearest exit. The exits in the forward and the aft are equipped with a slide raft. Additionally, a life raft is also carried on the aircraft, which is located in the aft overhead bin. रक्षा जैकेट आपकी कुर्सी के नीचे पाउच में रखी है। आपातकालीन स्थिति में अगर विमान को पानी पर उतरना पड़े तो इस रक्षा जैकेट का प्रयोग करें। रक्षा जैकेट को पाउच से निकालें और इस तरह सर के ऊपर से पहन लें। अब स्ट्रैप को सामने से बकल में डालें और इस तरह एडजस्ट करें। रक्षा जैकेट को फुलाने के लिए इस लाल टैब को ऐसे खींचें। रक्षा जैकेट को अधिक फुलाने के लिए इन लाल नलियों से हवा भरें। ध्यान रखें कि द्वार से बाहर निकलने से पहले आप रक्षा जैकेट में हवा भर लें। यदि आप ओवरविंग द्वार से बाहर निकल रहे हैं तो रक्षा जैकेट में हवा बाहर निकलने के बाद ही भरें। विमान से बाहर निकलते ही आप निकटतम स्लाइड या लाइफ राफ्ट पर चढ़ जाएं। विमान कर्मी दल की अनुमति के बिना रक्षा जैकेट को इस विमान से हटाना वर्जित है। A life jacket is placed in a pouch under your seat. In the unlikely event of a water landing, this life jacket can be used for flotation. Take this life jacket from the pouch and slip it over your head. Place the strap around your waist and secure it into the buckle. The strap can be adjusted as required. Pull the red tabs to inflate the life jacket. In order to inflate it further, you can blow into these red tubes. Please note that if you leave through the main exit doors, then the life jacket should be inflated just before leaving the aircraft. However, if you're going to evacuate through one of the overwing exits, then the life jacket should be in the aircraft. You must board the nearest slide or life raft. Tampering with the life jacket or removal of it from the aircraft without the take this opportunity to introduce.
You said so. Takeoff. Confirm cabin clearance, please.
ध्यान दीजिए, हम आपको याद दिला दें कि इस समय आपकी कुर्सी की पेटी बंदी हो, विंडो शेड्स खुले हों और मोबाइल फोन्स फ्लाइट मोड या स्विच ऑफ मोड में हों। धन्यवाद। May I have your attention, please?